Hello students, in this video we will learn class 10 physics, first chapter electricity, topic circuit. In the case of circuit, I will tell you here that a path connected with conductors, electric source and resistors with switch through which electricity can be passed is called circuit. One again, circuit. In the case of circuit, I will tell you here a path connected with conductor, switch, electric source and resistors through which electricity can be passed is called circuit. So now see circuit. A path connected with electric source, conductor, resistance and switch through which electricity can be passed. Called circuit. In the case of circuit, one very important thing I will tell you here, that classification of circuit. Circuit is classified by two ways. First, on the basis of electric source connected into circuit, number one, and number two, on the basis of pattern of arrangement of resistors into circuit. By this way, we can say that circuit is categorized into two ways. So, see this circuit. Circuit is divided into two parts. First, on the basis of electric source connected in circuit, and number two, on the basis of arrangement of resistors connected in circuit. On the basis of electric source connected in circuit, on this basis, circuit is divided into two parts. Number one, DC circuit, and number two, AC circuit. And on the basis of arrangement of resistors connected in circuit, on this basis, circuit is also divided into two parts. Number one, series circuit, and parallel circuit. These topics are important to you, and for its detailed explanation, due to this you can get your help into NTC examination, scientific questing examinations, etc. Olympiad of physics you can face. So by this way, these topics are important for you. So these four ways we will see one by one. Now come my point. So on this basis, use of four types of circuits. Number one, DC circuit. Number two, AC circuit. Number three, series circuit. And number four, parallel circuit. So now we ready one by one. Previously I will explain about DC circuit. So see this DC circuit. DC circuit. A circuit in which electric source is battery or cell. A circuit in which electric source is a battery or cell. A circuit in which electric source is a cell or battery. It's a symbol. It is indicated as this way. Suppose it is your circuit. Positive terminal, negative terminal, positive terminal, negative terminal. After that, switch. After that, resistors. In the case of resistors, I have explained you many times. This time I am also telling you that resistors means electrical instrument like your TV, fridge, tube light. Otherwise, all the electrical instruments, those are connected in your home, in your house. So these all are known as the resistors. Like bulb. So these all are the buzzer, horn, speakers. These all are the resistors. So I told you that a path connected with electric source, switch, conductors, and resistors. Resistors means electrical instruments. Electrical instruments, suppose just like bulb, speaker, buzzer, etc. So see this one by one. So on this matter, suppose I am taking as a bulb. And after that, suppose a speaker, and after that battery circuit is there. So here it is the symbolic, it is the symbol of DC circuit. It is the symbol of DC circuit. Here this is the symbol of battery. Battery. It is the symbol of cell. But group of cell is known as battery. So that is the battery. And in battery it happens that current enters into circuit always from positive terminal. Suppose if you make the switch on, so electricity supply will take place. So electricity supply will take place into circuit from positive terminal, means from this side, not from this side. It starts from this side, direction of electricity. Direction of electricity. That is. So this type of circuit is called DC circuit. Second type of circuit, this DC circuit is found into now like transistors, radios, sometimes that is speakers, etc. Here it takes place. Now be ready. Application of DC circuit. Application of DC circuit. Application of DC circuit. DC circuit is used. It is used into radios, transistors, vehicles, etc. Mobiles, and very good example that also mobiles, etc. Your power bank is also a source of DC. Next, second we will start about AC circuit. Now, AC circuit. A circuit that is connected with alternate source of electricity means connected with electricity, electric source. A circuit, AC circuit, a circuit that is connected with electricity or electric source. Electric source. A circuit that is connected with electricity or electric source. In this situation, because AC, its full form is alternate current. Alternate current. Alternate current is supplied by electric. So, such type of circuit is called AC circuit. Such type of circuit is called AC circuit. In the same way, in the case of battery, DC. Yeah. In the same way, I am telling about DC. DC means direct current. DC means direct current. Direct current is supplied from cell or battery. So, how the electricity supplied, how the electric source supplied by cell or battery is called DC, and why it is called AC. It's a detailed explanation I will tell you later. But previously, now come at point. So, AC circuit, a circuit that is connected with electricity for electric source, is called AC circuit. Actually, AC means alternate current. This alternate, as I explained you previously, that alternate current is supplied from electric. So, this type of circuit, and in this circuit, electric source is connected as electric. Just like your fridge, TV, cooler, these all are connected to sockets of electricity, electric supply that takes place in your home. So, such types of circuits are known as the AC circuits. So, be ready. A circuit that is connected with electricity for electric source is called AC circuit. AC circuit. Application of AC circuit. Application of AC circuit. Number one, AC circuit is used into our home for domestic supply of electricity. It is used in domestic supply, domestic, or also we can say that industrial supply, because all the industries also depend upon electricity. So it is used in domestic or industrial supply. Industrial supply of electricity. Electricity. That. So after that, It was second type of circuit. Now third circuit we will see here, that is the important circuit. Series circuit. Series circuit. Oh, but previously series circuit I want to give you symbol and notation of AC circuit. So see about AC circuit. That is the AC source. Symbol of AC source. So AC circuit is symbolized by this way. It is your switch and it is bulb. Bulb means resistor. Resistor means electrical instrument, because all electrical instruments have a particular resistance, so they are called resistors. All the electrical instruments, every electrical instrument that we use has a particular resistance, has a particular value of resistance. So all the electrical instruments are known as the resistors. So it is the symbol of AC circuit. After that, third type of circuit we will see, that is the series circuit. Series circuit. Series circuit. In case of series circuit, very interesting thing that I will tell you here. A circuit in which electrical instruments means resistors. A series in which all the electrical instruments means resistors. All the resistors are connected end to end. One again, a series circuit can be explained by the way that a circuit in which all the resistors are connected with each other by end to end, and first terminal of first resistor and second terminal of last resistor connected with electric source. Such type of circuit is known as series circuit. So now be ready. A circuit in which all the resistors are connected end to end with each other, and first terminal of first resistor, first terminal of first resistor and second terminal of last resistor are connected with electric source, and second terminal of last resistor connected with electric source. That's this electric source can be AC or DC, both, no matter. So in this situation, how it happens? One again, in the case of series circuit, mostly students are confused and they don't understand that this type of pattern is this. So I am telling you here, one again, a circuit in which all the resistors are connected end to end. All the resistors are connected end to end, and first terminal of first resistor and second terminal of last resistor both are connected with electric source. This source may be AC or DC. Such type of circuit is known as series circuit. Now see the figure diagram. In the case of diagram, I will tell you here diagram. Suppose here is a resistor. Here a resistor having resistance R. Because it's previously I have told you that that is a zigzag line. A zigzag line is the representation of resistor. Suppose it is second resistor. It is second resistor R2, and suppose it is third resistor R3. There are three resistors. So for series pattern, we will connect them first resistor. So it is first terminal, second terminal, first terminal, second terminal, first terminal, second terminal. So second terminal of first resistor is connected with first terminal of second resistor. Now second terminal of second resistor is connected with first terminal of third resistor, and at last, so after third there is no resistor, so it means it is the last. So second terminal of last resistor and first terminal of first resistor are connected with electric source. Such type of pattern of resistors is known as series circuit. You can add here switch also. That is also symbol of switch. You can add here switch also. So that is the pattern of series circuit. One again, in series circuit, it happens that resistors are connected end to end. In which it happens that second terminal of first resistor connected with first terminal of second resistor. Second terminal of second resistor is connected with first terminal of third resistor, and after third there is no resistor, so it means third will be the last resistor. So second terminal of last resistor and first terminal of first resistor are connected with electric source. Such type of series is known as a series circuit. Such type of circuit is known as series circuit. So series circuit. That's it is series circuit. In series circuit, it happens that how the resistors are connected to each other. How can we calculate the value of resistance in series circuit? These all we will see in next video. Thank you.